Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS, and what are we going to do today? Well, I think before I say that, let me know if this looks familiar, okay? You have a dish all full of bits and bobs, getting dusty, tools I never put away, adhesives that I need to get and refill out, other adhesives never put away, another tool I didn't put away, something I have to call about. These were never put back in the right place. Oh, memorabilia I have to do something with. Oh, let's just see. Stack of photos I have to address. Let's see, a thumbtack. Oh, Easter candy. There we go. Let's see, a bit and bob off a tool. What else? Oh, they never put those back. What else we got? Oh, cold medicine. Oh, yes, that was still using. More memorabilia. Oh, a pencil cup full of pens that I don't even have the right ones. Oh, and some glue. Another punch didn't put away. More memorabilia. Stamps I never put away. What else? What else can I find? Oh, how about this? A luscious box of something I need to mail. Oh, and these have to be in the right place. Then put them back. So, my point is, oh, wait. More punches that I haven't found a home for yet. Does this look familiar? Oh, wait, I have one more. Another pile of photos. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Does that look familiar? If you're shaking your head and raising your hand, then you need to come along with me. We're going to start a new series, and it's going to be a 12-week series, and it's kind of like a mini series for the summer. It's nothing heavy duty, nothing that's going to take a lot of time. And what we're going to do is we're going to call this Summer Space Shape Up. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our spaces in shape for the summer so we can spend it crafting and scrapbooking, not looking for things, trying to find things, losing things. Raising your hand. I know, I just lost something and I'm driving myself nuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on this Wednesday, June the 6th, and it will be on every Wednesday, and it will run till the end of August. So on every Wednesday, a video will pop up and we'll talk about an area we're going to address, or a little mini topic of something we can do to shape up our spaces. And so will it be something major that's going to take 3 or 4 hours? No, because nobody has time for that. I don't. I know you don't. It's just going to be, just a little challenge, a mini little challenge for us to keep, well, first of all, to get our space in shape and hopefully keep our spaces in shape over the summer so we can spend time crafting and scrapbooking and not looking for things. And I lost a piece of paper. Where's my favorite pen? I don't have my glue. Where's my stickles? Oh, and where's my Vicks inhaler? You see my point, okay? That's what we need to do. So come back on Wednesday. We'll have our first one, and there'll be about maybe a 15-20 minute challenge. And then if you do have some time over the summer and you want to take it a little further, well, I'll give you an idea for that as well. Okay, so that's going to be our new little mini series for the summer as far as getting our spaces in shape, so we can have fun over the summer and be in our rooms and record the story. Okay, so come back on this Wednesday, June the 6th, and we will tackle our first little area in our space. Okay, come back to RTS because you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.